Hello and welcome to the Office Superheroes channel. My name is Nicholas and today in this short video tutorial I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily calculate your hours worked in Excel. And you won't need any other program to do it. Are you ready? Let's do it. In the previous video, we showed you how to format time in Excel. For Excel to be able to calculate the number of hours worked, we need to have the time formatted and displayed correctly. In the previous video, we set up the formatting of this table. Once we have the table formatted correctly, we can go ahead and show how to calculate the number of hours worked. We will click on the cell in which we want to display the result. We will enter an equal sign. We click on the cell that contains the later time value, which for us means 2 p.m. Since we are subtracting, we enter a minus sign. Now click on the cell where we have recorded the start time of the work. Press Enter, and we're done. Excel immediately calculated the number of hours worked. If we want to calculate the hours worked in other columns without having to re-enter the formula, we click on the cell where we have entered the formula. We drag its bottom right corner and drag it to all cells where we want to use the formula. Done. We have the formula in all the cells where we need it. It was easy, wasn't it? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If so, let us know via comment or liking. Would like to see more videos on how to quickly and really easily learn how to work with Excel? In that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all for me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.